The question of whether AI will eventually replace human authors is a topic of ongoing debate in the literary and technological communities. While AI has made significant progress in generating human-like text, it is still unclear whether it will be able to fully replace human authors. There are several reasons why AI may not be able to fully replace human authors. Creativity and originality. Human authors have the ability to bring their unique perspectives, experiences, and creative visions to their work. AI systems, on the other hand, are limited by their programming and data inputs, which can result in repetitive and unoriginal content. Emotional intelligence and empathy. Human authors are capable of understanding and conveying complex emotions and empathizing with readers. AI systems, while able to recognize and process emotions, may struggle to replicate the same level of emotional intelligence and empathy. Storytelling and narrative structure. Human authors have a deep understanding of storytelling and narrative structure, which allows them to craft compelling and engaging stories. AI systems, while able to generate text, may not have the same level of understanding and may produce stories that are lacking in depth and complexity. Character development and dialogue. Human authors are able to create complex and believable characters, as well as engaging dialogue that is unique to their story. AI systems, while able to generate character profiles and dialogue, may not be able to replicate the same level of depth and nuance. Contextual understanding. Human authors have a deep understanding of the context in which their story is set, including cultural references, historical events, and social norms. AI systems, while able to recognize and process contextual information, may not have the same level of understanding and may produce stories that are inaccurate or culturally insensitive. That being said, AI is rapidly advancing and is already being used in various ways in the writing process, such as content generation. AI systems can generate large amounts of content quickly and efficiently, which can be useful for creating outlines, summaries, and other supporting materials. Research assistance. AI systems can help authors with research tasks, such as finding and organizing information, which can save time and increase productivity. Editing and proofreading. AI systems can assist with editing and proofreading tasks, such as grammar and spelling checks, which can help authors ensure that their work is error-free and polished. Collaboration. AI systems can be used to collaborate with human authors, providing suggestions and ideas that can enhance the writing process. In conclusion, while AI has the potential to significantly impact the writing process, it is unlikely to fully replace human authors in the near future. Human authors will continue to be needed to bring their unique perspectives, creative visions, and emotional intelligence to their work.